Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. As you can see on the screen, there is another package. Yep, I did it again and I purchased more happy planner stuff. How is that possible, right? Well, I wanted to get ready for a giveaway that I'm going to be hosting soon. So I ordered some of the items from a sale. Let's go ahead and open it together and I'll show you what I ordered. As I opened the box, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back and joining me again, and if it's your first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. So I purchased quite a few Bambi sticks because those were on sale, so I was shopping the Happy Planner sale. I know, I'm like a shopaholic, I can't help it, so stay with me. I purchased a few planners. Some of them are for a giveaway, a couple journals, some stickers, and some of them are for me. So I will be sharing stuff that I bought and I'll show you what I have. So I have journals. This is Wild Styled and a recovery journal. I will share those with you guys. I ended up buying a few planners as well. I wanted to add a new nutritional planner, so this is what I purchased. This is the Be Still, I think. I'm not sure if that's the line that it's called, but it is a wellness planner. It is for January through December of 2022. It's extremely neutral, and that's basically what drew me to it. So let me go ahead and show you and share this with you because it is really lovely. This is from the collection of that 5-page stickers that are kind of like still photographs. Okay, so it is a wellness edition. You have the hello page, wellness edition, the year at a glance, the perpetual calendar. This is actually where I schedule my future stuff, and you're into January. So look at this, it's broken into different things in there, and then this is the nutritional planner. So it has intention, nutrition, movement, and take note, and all the weeks are the same. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dividers. So we have Stay in Your Magic for February. Okay, so January, February, and then March, you are worthy. Take care of you. You can't do it all, and that's okay. June, be proud of how far you've come. Listen to your heart. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Breathe. Yeah, these are beautiful, and that's December. The back page just says notes. It's super simple, and then black cover. So that's the Wellness 2022 day purchased. Then I have this vertical line. This one I got specifically for the giveaway. It is such a awesome planner. It is called Spoonful of Faith, and it is a 12-month planner. Let me show you the inside. I'm opening it this way because I want to save all of these pieces so I can ship it in the best possible condition to the giveaway winner. I'm still working on collecting more items for all of you guys, so they'll be coming soon. So we have hello, this happy planner belongs to. Same thing, so year at a glance, perpetual calendar. This is the currently page. Okay, this is the monthly, super simple. So the only thing it has, it's those dots in the middle, and then this is vertical lined. So it has all of those lines in here. Can you imagine how many to-do list items you can put in here? Tons. Tons and tons. I'm gonna go through quickly over the dividers as I did this before, because this is one of the planners that I actually do own. So lovely, lovely planner. It does come with black plastic discs, but again, super lovely. Next one that I got for this upcoming giveaway is this beautiful, absolutely beautiful memory planner. After doing one of the spreads as a memory planner for myself, I knew that I wanted to gift this to someone as well. Like, this is absolutely stunning, and this is called Rustic Blooms. These discs are metal. They're like a pink rose gold, more of a pink color. It comes with a tiny sticker sheet, and then this is a big, so it is a letter size planner, and it has these really lovely rustic backgrounds that are kind of ready to fill. So these are pre-made, and they have sizes of the pictures and room to journal and write, which is lovely. And it kind of seems to be alternating between dark and light schemes, so it's kind of fun. And then you're back to the start of the page, and you're kind of back to the beginning of the section. So this comes with 4 dividers, and I think there's multiple sections in each divider where it kind of repeats itself, but it is very, very lovely. Okay, so this is divider number 2. Again, same exact pages, so there's 2 of these sections in each, behind each divider, and then one last one. That's the inside of the cover, and this is the back. Look how lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back together. This planner left me with some planner dust. Okay. Next up is this everyday wild guided journal. So if you're starting to plan and you want to journal, this is probably a good thing to start with. It is a journal with prompts. It is coming on plastic discs, but it's really fun. So it has this week's mantra: what can you do to love others this week? Write 2 I am statements that make you feel encouraged. What things make you happiest? How can you incorporate at least 2 of those things? Yeah, that's awesome. Like, I love these questions. So those for the week, and then daily has different questions. One thing that you are grateful for in your life. Okay, so it just has all of these questions, and then it changes every single day. But yep, this is super lovely. And these are the dividers, and then this is the back of this planner. It is beautiful, and I can't wait to use it. And the front is just so elegant. Okay, the second journal that I got is called Recovery, and I absolutely love that sticker book, so I couldn't pass up when I saw this, and it's been sold out at Joann's for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So again, first divider, the future depends on what you do today, and that's by Gandhi. And then you have a kind of a tracker where you put 3 things for that week, and you track the progress. And then you have weekly check-ins, which is like, what is taking space in your head, and have you been selfish, dishonest? So it's kind of like a check-in with yourself, and then what is something that you need to fix or apologize for. And then it has daily sheets. You have these face markers that you can put how happy you are, and then what empowered me today. What did I do to add to my happiness? Today's highlight, today's low moment. What did I do for my recovery today? So that's a super helpful journal. Then you have a note page and then back to the weekly questions. Very interesting. So these repeat, and these are kind of pre-decorated, so there's not much that you need to do, which is awesome. And this is the next divider. Look how beautiful. Yeah, these are just lovely. Okay, and last divider, back note page and the cover itself. And I did get white disc specifically for that recovery journal. I thought that might look good. It's time for some stickers. So I bought some really lovely stickers from the Happy Planner. First off, I bought Mambi sticks because they were on sale, and let's be honest, there's never enough Mambi sticks in my life. So there's 8 pages and you get 2 pages of each, so 4 pages of unique stickers, and they have letters in this beautiful gold, so you just take them out and pop them on your page. These are much bigger and they're rose gold, so you still get 8 sheets, but these are individual, and then you get some numbers as well. So kind of fun and different. These silver ones are a repeat of the gold ones, and then I also have these beautiful reds that have 8 pages, and the letters are slightly smaller, but this would be perfect for Christmas or Valentine's Day or even 4th of July. So kind of cool. And then I bought this 5-page sticker book called Reach New Heights, and this is a wellness one, and since I bought a wellness planner, I thought that was appropriate. All of these pages look like they are completely clear, so you have icons, and then you have a run, cardio, weights, long walk, arm day, and so on. And these continue through this page. And then you have some beautiful quotes, and then that's it. Okay, the next one is this lovely Be Still sticker book, which is a set with that planner I showed you initially. I think it's called Be Still, I'm not sure, but these are lovely. They're really, really beautiful, black and white. If you like something neutral, this is definitely the sticker book. This one, if you don't have Squad Girls, you definitely need it. This is definitely for you guys for the giveaway, because I think everybody should have one of these sticker books, either Squad Goals or Squad Life. They're just lovely. I flipped through this book many times, but look at the spring, look at the yoga, look at the poses, at the fresh flowers. It is gorgeous. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be working on a giveaway, like I said, pretty soon. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. For now, thank you so much for joining me. If you are here, I know you're probably a shopaholic like me, and you love just watching other people's hauls. I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you soon.